Okay, level 4, we're making the melody. You can use any instrument you like that's suitable for melody. I've already got my trumpet track, so I clicked on the plus and I went to MIDI instruments. So I need to record the first 2 bars of the EastEnders melody. That's going to be my motif. So I'm going to double click on the picture of the trumpet. Okay, make sure cue is on. Practice it with the metronome. Once you're happy, then record. There we go. Have a listen, make sure all the notes you're happy with. Excellent, I'm happy with that. You can make it even more neater by, undo, by dragging the end of the notes to make it smooth legato, like so. So now it's legato. Okay, so now that's legato, it's nice and smooth, and that is level 4 done.